Good morning. Running just a couple minutes late this morning, so let's hop onto Discord and we will begin. Markets are looking a little bit shaky this morning, mostly because Jerome Powell has his confirmation meeting in, I guess, Congress today. I'll have to look that up. But they are projecting that he's going to be pretty, what they call, hawkish on everything that he's going to announce when they're going to hike up interest rates and all that good stuff. So that's kind of the main problem today that we're facing. Again, my question is, has that already been factored into the price of the market, or is it going to crash some more? We had a really good recovery yesterday. Like, we had a big loss, so it went from 463 all the way down to 456. That's almost $7, which is pretty big for the SPY. And then it jumped all the way back up, bounced off of a key level here, and broke out right at the end of the market day. It is retracing some of those gains here as we speak, so we'll just have to see how it goes. Let's fire up Discord on the computer here. All right, Discord. Let's go. Let's do this. Here we go. Yes. Some apps on the M1 are just not optimized, and they are so slow. It's ridiculous. But I shouldn't complain. I'm the one that chose the M1 over an Intel processor, so yeah. Okay, I would like to. Oh, chats here. Window here. Let's go over to our stockmarketwatch.com. See what's cooking. Okay, so we have TSRI. Gapping up real nice. Beautiful. What are we at here? 1297 was the peak. Right up here. And we have fallen down to 1180, which is right here. Which also corresponds with some resistance there. So. Oh dear. No options on there, so that's out of my let's see, BDTX. A lot of the things that we find on our scanners, I mean, honestly, You can trade them. There, it's fine. It's perfectly fine. Problem is that I'm only interested in the options because of the size of my account. I want to have 100% of my trading money available tomorrow. So if you're just in a cash account and you are trading just regular shares, those don't settle back into your account for 3 days. Let's say I do, $800 position, and then that $800 and whatever profit I made or loss isn't going to be available for 3 days. If I do trading or options contracts, the money from those settles in 1 day. So tomorrow I have 100% of my money available for me. And I know it's probably not necessary, but I really like it that way. So, um, so tell me I'm missing out on different opportunities because of that. I know. Trust me, I know. Scan here. Whoa. Oh. What happened? Like, how are there so many on the scan? Um, shake. Let's try. Man, that was weird. Is that set up right? Oh, $10. I want to do 50. That's a little better. Why is it 15 bars ago? 30 minutes. Just do like the previous day. Let's try that. Price change, close, open volume view app. 3% greater than 1 bar ago. And that's the previous day. 2 bars ago. Why are these showing up? 0%. I guess that just goes to show that I do not know much about the scanner. Intel. Okay. It's a big name. And then Tesla, of course. Intel. NTC. Okay. Interesting. Well, I've got a big barrier at 56. What did that look like? 56. Yeah. Hmm. I don't know about this. They got a new CEO or CFO. just don't know that that's good enough reason to be super bullish about it. I think that if it can break over 96, then hey, you could have a trade. It's just a little bit concerning that after that initial womp right here, it gets womped all the way back down to previous day's close. That's just kind of concerning. Oh, well, okay, let's see. So yesterday we traded Zynga. I'm glad I didn't hold anything overnight. It's just kind of flatlined. Made a decent, it was 27%, I think. Close to 30% on that. Apple, we lost a good, yeah, we lost a fair amount right in here because uh, I bought a put at the break of the low of day, got kind of freaked out, sold, got back in here, got freaked out again. It was just an absolute mess. I did not trade it well. I should have recognized this uh, falling wedge pattern here and just bought here and then took profits, around here. I don't know. It ended up having this day-long W pattern, which was beautiful. It really was. Um, but hey, what can you do? What can you do? And then Twitter. Oh dear. Ugh. Twitter was exciting. I'm glad that we got out of it. Had an entry here. Sold highs somewhere around here. Hey, is there a way for me on YouTube to add like a little marker or something like that? Let me see here. Da, 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 da. Edit. Is there a way to? Oh, I need to change this. Well, this goes to show how much preparation I had this morning. So I'm just going to be careful today because we have morning trading. Save. There we go. Ta-da. But I wish there was a way for me to, as I am, add stream marker. Oh, that's it. Okay. Unable to add stream marker. Well, whatever. I don't care. I don't care at all. Okay, we're gonna go here. We're gonna go here. No, that's the wrong place. Wrong place on Discord. Do 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 do. Ta-da! There. Now we're back on Discord. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, Twitter. We were. Oh, here we go. Now let me try this. So on Twitter yesterday, we took the initial break of the first 2 minute candle. So it gapped down. So perfect. Strategy is take the break of the first 2 minute candle. We did that. Price wasn't as good as I wanted. I chased it just a little bit, but then we took profits into this. I think it was right around here, 38.51 maybe, something like that. Because I wasn't sure what it was going to do. The spread was really bad. I'm just really glad that I was out of it. And it was just, breaking this hard line. I could have held it, but you just never know. So anyway, it ended up doing this. Could have bought the dip, but I don't mind that we didn't. It's fine. It's a busy morning. Oh. Okay, let's look at Lucid here. Lucid, oh man, Lucid, it's been channeling hard for the last couple weeks. It needs to get above and stay above 42.50. And that's why it's bumping. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 candles at this 42.93 level. Yeah. So that's what it's hitting up against. I need to drink some coffee here. All right, I see on this another list here that we have. What do we want? 80. Yeah. I don't think that's going to do much. It's not gapping down anymore. Hey, what did our scan say here? Let me see. Shock. So, why are we... What's the news? Fourth quarter business update. Operating hours were hit by Omicron variant. 20% stores sales growth. Hey, that's nothing to sneeze at. Now, wait a minute. I charted this before. Do, 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 do. Oh. Okay. Let's chart it again. Let's see here. Look at that. Beautiful top. Right there. Boom. We're opening at 74-ish. 74-ish. Let's see where that plays out here on the greater chart. Oh, we have some support here. I should look at the options. Are they decent? It's a pretty big spread. I really should actually just trade the SPY and the Qs. The spreads are so much better on those. Man, I'm tired. I need to be extra careful with trading today. Make a stupid mistake or something. Living the dream. Living the dream. See? Interesting. La da 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 So we have some resistance around here-ish, which makes sense. Hey, welcome, welcome. That's okay. I was late, so the David was up a lot last night, and then he woke up at 5, and then woke up again at 5:20, and so um, I went down and took care of him so Jin could get some more sleep, and she slept until like 7:45 basically. So I was entertaining the boys with the guitar and singing and playing with them. Yeah, it was a good time, but kind of put me behind with everything else, which is fine. I definitely don't mind doing that for her. She deserves all the rest she can get. So, alrighty. Is the stream quality decent? Sorry, you went all robot. Sorry, I can't understand you. That's a little better. Oopsie. That's a little better, yeah. Now I'm getting every, 2 out of 3 words now instead of 1 out of 3. Oh, okay, gotcha. So we have resistance. It's so. So I found out with YouTube Studio, I can add like little markers to the video that show up later for me, and that way I can actually mark when I make a trade. So that's going to be super helpful because if I go to review my trades later on in this week, I'll be able to actually see where I did them. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I'll have to figure it out. So this morning, where the market is kind of hesitating because they're doing the confirmation meeting hearing for Jerome Powell for whatever financial. I need to look that up actually. Hang on a second. No, where did it go? So, long story short, I'm not going to trade hardly at all just because I'm tired. And it's going to be a weird day. Now, once the confirmation hearing is done and he's said what he needs to say about hiking up interest rates and all that good stuff, um, it'll find its direction and we'll be good to go. But, let's see. March rate increase is now seen as more likely. There are growing expectations for 4 rate increases in 2022. So, whenever they hike up the interest rate for different things um, on government loans and all that good stuff, that somehow helps curb inflation, I guess. Um, but I don't know exactly. Right. Hopefully. Well, he actually has done a really good job of, as far as I understand, like I'm still learning about what his position is and what he does and how it affects the market and that sort of thing. But um, let's see. But as far as I understand, like it's what he does and how he does it is pretty integral to. Um, oh man, these options are horrible. Oh my word. There goes Zynga. Nice. I don't think I said anything. Oh, I'm not sure. Shack is a nice dip and rip. It's too bad that the options are so horrible. Spy is bombing. Oh, do do do. What does AMD look like? All these tech stocks are kind of in the same boat. Like they definitely watch. A watch. Out of pre-market. I'm really tempted to short some of this stuff right now just because it's like Nvidia, it's trying to go red to green and it's almost there, but it's so expensive. That's the problem. You know, I think this is a decent setup for shorting it, but I don't really want to put that much money on the line. So I guess we'll see. I'm totally fine with not trading today just because it's such a crazy day. Um, but it's definitely tempting. David's being a growly bear downstairs. Okay, now this is interesting here. So the spy and the cues are both out of sync. So spy was, basically started red and stayed red, and the cues started red and then jumped up. Hmm. See? Ah. Yep. Yep. Man, it sucks when I'm right. It sucks when I'm right and I can't do anything about it. Okay, so I was looking at this one. What is this? Dude, I'm so glad that I didn't hold any of my Zynga position overnight because I would have been down a significant amount at this point. Ah, wow. Yeah, let's see here. I actually got into Nvidia on a put that's out of the money quite a bit, so we'll see how it works out here. Probably get stopped out. What level is this? 68. 68. We're dropping into this. Yeah, hang on a second. Let me get out of this position here real quick. No. Alright, I got out of it just because I don't like how it's bouncing. Um, Made $6. So, like 3% basically. I tried to actually take profits at the bottom there, but it didn't execute. I wasn't fast enough, so. But that's okay. I mean, it would have been, you know, it would have been a fantastic trade, but um, okay, love you, bud. Run along. Be sweet to mommy. So I got my Ethernet ported up to my computer, so that was pretty nice. Hopefully, it makes for a little bit more. What's that? AMC is getting a little bit of love. That's nice. Nice to see. Yeah, I should have just gotten a on Nvidia here. I should have bought a far out of the money put at the very top there, at the green to red or red to green level. I would have made. Yeah, I might be able to see, but I could have if I would have gotten it right at that top. I would have bought it for like $150, and then I would have sold it into the support on the bottom, and would have made a quick $70 on it basically, which would have been 50%, I think. Yeah, 50%. Um, let's see here. Not really. This would just be more like a downtrend sort of a thing. Hey, that. Um, Boy, I should have grabbed it there. we'll see what it does. I will not have any regrets until it actually breaks all the way down beyond the low of the day. Then I will have regrets. So we have a long flagpole basically, or a staff they call it, that's red. So that's a bearish indicator. And now we'll just have to see if it channels here and makes, maybe it'll do a bearish rectangle. But we will see. It seems to me, well, I'm not going to say anything. It's just too early to speculate at this point. Buying outside of the money um, put options contracts like that. The one that I did was about $20 out of the money, which is significantly out of the money. Um, it's sketchy because they lose value so much. Like you'll get a really nice gain on that, like on that big drop there. Got a nice gain on it, but then as soon as it started to hesitate, the value just went down really quick. So that's why I just was like, "Hey, I'm getting out. I'm not going to have any patience with it because that's just super sketch." If it would have had any sense, I would have bought a call at the bottom there at like 269. And but again, it would have to be way out of the money for me to afford it. Mm, yeah, they're just not gaining all that much value. You know what would have been a really nice play is this. I think this could have been very decent. 850. Let me see. What's the value of this here? If we would have bought one at 23 ish, could have been up at 30% profit on this baby here, which isn't not is it's not as good as I thought it would be, but still, it would have been a very solid trade. Is it really windy out? So apparently in the UK, I was reading a study this morning. Um, they say that their hospitals are inundated with people with COVID, but a closer look at the numbers shows that, like, I think it was 80% of the people had the Omicron um, variant, but they were in the hospital for reasons other than COVID, like they came in with a broken leg or something like that, and they just happened to have the Omicron with barely any symptoms. So the news report was just a little misleading. It was like, just kind of stretching the truth a little bit. Okay. All right. I am in a trade on Lucid. I went long. Long on Lucid. My target is going to be around 40, 44. Well, Shaq's going too. Let's see if the position has gotten any better here. Not really. Why is that losing value so badly? even though it's going up. There's some wonky stuff going on with the lucid position. What's the deal? Why are you losing value? 140. 2. Ouch. Come on, baby. Work with me. I'm going to give it some time. Well, that's sucky. I really want to give this some time, but like it's losing value so quickly. That's ridiculous. Wow. It's not that much out of the money. I don't think. Only a couple bucks out of the money. Oh, there we go. Nice pop. Very nice pop. Still, though, it has not recovered the value that it lost. It's insane. I mean, I'd like to see it get up to 45. That'd be nice. Man, look at that volume come in. Wow. 44.50, 44.56, 58. Nice. Oh, don't lock up on me now, phone. Oh no, you don't. You wouldn't dare. Oh, come on. Ah, I want to get out. The app locked up on my phone. Oh well, it's going up. That's all's well that ends well. But what's this all about? Okay, we'll do this the old-fashioned way then. Close position. Hey, I want to close this position. Oh my goodness. Everything is conspiring against me. This is ridiculous. Literally, my phone locked up. It's not letting me get out of it. Oh. Come on. Dang it, Bobby. Oh my word. It literally is not letting me get out of the position. Wow. This is ridiculous. So ridiculous. Create closing order. That's what I want to do. Please. Oh, my goodness. Of course. Of course. Man. That was very, very frustrating. That was extremely frustrating. Like, I literally had a good 15%, 20% profit on it, and it just went away. Wow. Okay, I'm done. I'm frustrated now because now it's going back up. And if I trade when I'm frustrated, it does not work well. Shoot. You're back? Well, so I was in this lucid trade and it hit my target. I tried to get out. The app locked up on my phone and it wouldn't let me get out of the position. And instead of being 15% up, I lost about 5%. And that was very sucky. Yeah, extremely frustrating. Like, it had to choose that moment. Oh, well, whatever. I'm basically done for the day. When stuff like that happens and I get frustrated, then I just make bad decisions the rest of the morning. So, uh, that's fine. I'm just down $7 on the day, but it's not bad. But I could have been up. I could have been up about $20 or so. So that's fine. Everything's fine here. Oh well. Okay, well, I'm going to be hopping off. So thanks for spending time with me. And I'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye. Yes, a frustrating morning. It could have been worse, I guess. It could have been much, much worse. So, oh well. Have a good one, everybody.